This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Unfurnished rental available this coming October. Fall in love with a 3+ den house in Pointe West East Village. Built in 2018, split floor plan, volume ceilings, tile in all main areas, granite tops, natural gas including stove and water heater, 2-car garage, open porch for relaxing. Close to I-95 commutes, nearby shopping, dining, movies and our area beaches and parks. Pool and community. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.